No problem. What a beautiful night.
Lightning McQueen, what?
Where all them stars twinkling away. Reminds me of something real fun.
Oh, I know what you're gonna say.
You do? Why? Hey, go. You must have that there extra accessory suspension or something.
Nope. I just know how much my best friend likes to go tractor tipping.
I sure do. Oh, tractor tipping's fun. Okay, remember, here's what you do. You just sneak up in front of them, and then honk. And then they do the rest. Now listen, when I say go, go. But don't let Frank catch you.